So today, went on ahead and got all the insulation in here, packed it all up. Finished all of today's order. This is today's order panels. So they want 10 panels, 4 base traps, and 2 wall base traps, and 1 cloud. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and get that delivered today, and you'll see the install of this also.
Young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
You trying to get a room size?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna call him right now.
These are the 2x4 panels. This is how the back looks. It's wrapped up. This is another one. Wrapped in the back. And these are the rest of your panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And these are the 3.5 inches. So you can see the difference between the 3.5 and the 2.5. They're all wrapped up in the same backing.
Yeah, we just come back for all this stuff.
So everything couldn't make it out today?
Oh yeah, no, he had to. We got another order that he had to build, so he's in there building the panels right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just came and installed and stuff real quick. All right, what's up, y'all? So we out here in Culver City. We just drove out here, unloaded all the panels. They in the room right now, set up, ready to go. They got about 3 clouds and a bunch of wall panels we finna install. It's a nice area out here, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. Come check out the studio. So we got all the panels laid out. These are where they are gonna go. We got 4 floor-to-ceiling bass traps. 2, 3, 4, 9 2x4s. Then we got 3 clouds we're gonna put up here, 1 big one and then 2 over there above the setup.
Ooh, swerve, keep it going.
So right now we just put the cloud up. We did the other 2 clouds, the angle clouds. Then we got the 1-inch wall panels on the wall, solid. I'll go ahead and do the rest of them.
Ooh, swerve, keep it going.